Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Lenovo ThinkPad charging port blinking red, battery and charging troubleshooting. Fix 1 is check the power adapter and cable. Unplug the charger from the laptop and the wall outlet, then check the cable for cut, bend or damage. Then make sure the charger is it correct Lenovo charger with the right voltage. Plug the charger directly into a wall outlet instead of a power strip. See if the red charging light stop blinking. Second one is inspect the charging port. Turn off the laptop. Look inside the charging port for dust or debris. Gently clean the port with compressed air or a soft brush. Put the charger in firmly and check if the connection feels loose. Third one is perform a power reset. Turn off the laptop, then disconnect the charger. If your ThinkPad has a removable battery, remove it. Hold the power button for 30 seconds. Reconnect the battery, plug in the charger and turn the laptop on. Fourth one is check battery temperature. Let the laptop cool down if it feels hot. Disconnect the charger for 15 to 20 minutes, then move the laptop to a cooler location. Plug the charger back in and check if the blinking stop. Fifth one is try another charger. Use another compatible Lenovo charger if needed. Then connect it to the laptop. Check if the red blinking light disappear and the battery start charging. Thanks for watching.